Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. And my tip of the day is on how to brush your teeth if you're blind or visually impaired and you're struggling to get the toothpaste onto the toothbrush. So this is a pretty easy tip and hack. I've had to use it a few times with certain clients who just really struggled with getting the toothpaste onto the toothbrush. So what you need to do is first get your very own tube of toothpaste. You want to make sure it's brand new, no one else has used it. And what you're going to do is you're going to open the cap or unscrew the cap, and instead of trying to put the toothpaste onto the toothbrush itself, you're going to put a little bit of toothpaste directly into your mouth, and then you can do your brushing. So instead of trying to fiddle with getting the toothpaste directly on the toothbrush, you can put a little bit directly in your mouth. And if this is your own tube, you don't have to worry about spreading germs. There are ways of practicing putting the toothpaste onto the toothbrush directly, which I'll cover in another tip of the day. But this tip is very helpful and very easy to implement. So I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips of the day. Have a great day. Thanks.